Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd make a quick video on an experience I just had at Costco. I went and actually bought this, the Dyson V8 cordless, cord-free, hassle-free vacuum. Now I had one before and you probably have seen it in my previous videos, but what was started happening with it is we would put it on the charger sometimes overnight for 2 days sometimes, and then when we would go to use it, it wouldn't work, and then randomly a day it would work. So there was a problem with the battery, and then last night when we were using it in the family room, both my husband and I could feel kind of like a weird short in it, like a, I don't want to say electrocution, it's not that we were getting electrocuted, but we could feel the short in the electrical area come through our hand into our wrist. So we bought it a while ago and we both couldn't remember when we bought it. So I took it in today to Costco just to see if there was a way that we could exchange it for another one. I looked online at the return policy, and according to everything that I had read, you can return things other than certain electronics. I think like cameras, laptops, cell phones, things like that, you only have 90 days to return, but everything else it said you can return at any time. So I gathered all the stuff up, all the attachments. It came with a ton of attachments. I don't think this one does, not as many. And it came with a really cool attachment bag. And we took it into Costco today and they let me return it. It turns out we bought it in 2015. And all I did was explain to them what had happened with the battery, what was going on, and then what we felt last night as far as the short in there and like kind of the electric that we could feel in our hands. So I went and I returned it, and I ended up getting a new one because I love it and I want a new, I use this like on a regular basis. I love it. And it turns out it was on sale. So the price for the Dyson V8 was $399.99, and it was $100 off. The original price when I bought this in 2015 was actually the V6, not the V8. The V8 hadn't come out yet. It was, you are not going to believe this, $544.99. That's how much this used to cost, and it was like the lower model, the V6. So they gave us a Costco card, Costco cash card, and they put it on there. And then I went and I got the new one. And I was so excited to see that it was $100 off. So I only paid $299 for this Dyson V8 Animal. And I thought the return policy was just incredible. I was so happy. So I have the new one here, and I thought I would show it to you. And I was gonna vacuum up my stairs right here, which is why I'm sitting on the stairs right now. So let's go ahead and open this. If I can. How do I open this thing? Huh. I'm not gonna be able to do this. Oh. Ta-da! That's how it is. Okay, so this is how it comes to you. I got a paper cut. I'm just a mess today. So these are the instructions, and I think problem solved. Oh, this is a warranty. So you just register it online on their website in case you have a problem. And here it is. This does not come with the cool bag that the other one came with, but it has this small attachment for corners and crevices and things. I think it's called the Crevice Tool. This is a new attachment that my other one did not have. So this is called the up top adapter. You attach it to the bottom of the cordless vac, and you can put something on top, and you can reach like the top of your cupboards, like your crown molding, things like that. So this is really cool. This is a really nice little thing to have. I'll use it definitely. I like it. That was really neat. And then we got another, this is like a thin attachment, like this. It's probably good for, it's probably really good for the car. And it has a brush underneath so it loosens up all the stuff, and then you can just vacuum over it. And then here's like a extender, I think. Oh, this is a brush tool. This. I didn't use it in my last one. The last one that I had, I never used that one. So, okay, so now I'm gonna take this out. This is the main part. This is the motor. It's a lot heavier than the other one, for sure. It's a lot heavier. So, that's the motor. Okay, all right, we're good. Scared my cat. And here is the, if you want to hang it from the wall, which is what we already have a spot for it. You hang it with this, and then you click it in here, and it charges standing up. So it hooks, the charger hooks into this. So you just hang this onto the wall, and then it fits in like that, and it charges while it's hanging. So, like that. So this is the charger. You have to hang that one back. Hang it where we had the last one. We had it in the garage, right by the door. So easy access. Okay. There must be an easier way to do this. I don't know why I'm sitting here like all awkward. This is the main body of it. I can't slide it off, so I have to tear it. See the downfall of having nails. I can't get in here. I'm scared I'll break them. I'm trying to be glamorous. Why? There we go. So this is the main tool. And you can use it, obviously you can use it with just the motor and a brush attachment to it. If you want to get small areas like your car, the stairs, whatever you want to get really close to. Your couches are really nice to use these on, to use it with just the motor and the brush attachment. And then here is the main base. All right, I'm gonna put this down. Okay. Here's the base. It looks a lot like the one that I had before. Didn't change very much. But it has on the inside here, you can see it has like a brush, and the rest of it is, and here's a thicker brush, and then it picks up everything that way. It's really nice. I like it. It does a really good job, surprisingly well for a cordless vacuum. It's one of the best ones I've ever used ever. It's so worth the money. And here's the charge cord for it. And there's another small base. This one's really good for the couches or chairs that you have. It's great for the stairs. It's like the perfect size for it. So I'll show you the difference between the size of this one and the regular base attachment. You can see how compact it is. So this is great. it fits in here just right. See, just perfect. Then you can even get under here. So I like this attachment a lot. And I like this one too. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna show you how I use it on these stairs here. And if you are interested in getting one, and this video is not sponsored, Dyson doesn't even know I exist, so does Costco. I would recommend you go get it now because it is $100 off, so you're gonna get it for $2.99 instead of $3.99. And if you have a family like I do and a lot of kids, so this is perfect for you because it's quick to pick up. You know, it's easy to use. I love using it in the kitchen after I cook or even before I start cooking, just to kind of get everything cleaned up before I begin. And it seriously is it is the best cordless vac that I have ever used. And I've tried Shark, I've tried a whole bunch of different brands. This one I think is the best. All right, so I am going to show you how I use it, and that's it. So let's get to it. So that's how I use the small attachment. You could see how easy it was to get into the onto the stairs. It's the perfect width. And look at it, picked up some dust. That's how powerful this is. So I would recommend getting this. It's awesome. It's awesome. You should have this in your house. And another thing I wanted to mention was on the description it said that this battery will last up to 40 minutes. My other battery, when it was fully charged, was only like at 15, and when it started giving us problems, sometimes it wouldn't work at all, and then it went down to like 5 minutes, 7 minutes, maybe not even a full 10 minutes. So I'm really excited that I have this. It's really a useful thing to own. And so yeah, I just wanted to get on here real quick and show you, talk to you about what happened today, because I was really excited. And vacuums, you can see, like, this is my life. Vacuum cleaners excite me. Yeah, such a mom, right? But yeah, if you have any questions about what happened or anything about the vacuum, leave me a message down below. If you go to Costco and you find a different one, I don't think this is the newest one. I think there's one that's newer that might be a little more powerful. I think this is bigger, which might be why this was on sale. Because I think they didn't have the newer model, but I've seen it. This seems to be bigger in the new model, and maybe the battery's a little more powerful. Not sure. If you guys know, let me know. Put it down in the comment section below. And yeah, just wanted to come on here and tell you guys what happened today and show you how I use this vacuum. And thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed and became a part of my YouTube family. And you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.